If you want to check the activation date on Samsung Galaxy S26, you have two ways to do so. The first method is to open settings on your phone. You can then proceed to battery. And then over here in battery settings, we can proceed to the battery information, and you can see the first date of the use, first used date, which is a pretty good indicator of when the phone was activated for the first time. Another way to check that information is by going to the Google services in settings. Over here, we can tap on our Google account and then tap on Google account button. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds. And then we're going to proceed to the security and sign in. Over here, we can scroll down a little bit to find your devices section, and you should be able to find sessions on Android phones. So we're going to go over here. And then you should be able to find your Galaxy S26, so we can tap here. You will need to probably verify yourself. There we go. And we should be able to see the information about the first sign in. There we go, in here. Of course, this information is only valid if you used this account that you used over here to check this information on the first day when you got your phone. If you, for example, used a different account, then you can change the account in here in the upper right corner and check that information on that different account. But generally speaking, this is also how we can check the activation date. Leave a like and subscribe.